Is it negative
Yeah.
cosine?
Yeah, it's negative cos, okay? So cos of the angle, then you have to divide by the coefficient of x, then plus c. Okay? Second one, you need to know if I integrate cos of an angle, the angle must be in linear form. So I will get sin, write down the angle, then divided by the coefficient of x, then plus c. Okay, it's also good that we write down this formula. If I integrate secant square of an angle of this form. So if you integrate secant square, what do you get?
Tangent.
You get tangent. And also divide by the coefficient of x, then plus c. Okay. If you integrate cosec, cosec means 1 over sin, cosecant square of an angle, linear. What do you get? Anyone? You get negative cotangent. Cotangent is 1 over tangent. That means it's cos over sin over b plus c. Okay, same thing like differentiation. There are a few important trigo we must know. Trigo formula. You still remember all your trigo formula? Okay, if I give you sin square x plus cos square x, can I simplify it? Can I simplify this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What is it?
1.
1.
1. Right? If I give you sin x times cos x, can I simplify this?
Yes.
Yes. It's half sin 2x. Correct? So this is x. Here will be 2x. That's it. The rest remain the same. If here is 2x, here will be 4x. Right? Okay, so what is another one? If I give you cos square x, can I make this to something else?
Yes.
Yes. So you write all this down. It makes your life easier. Correct? If I have sin square x, can I simplify this?
Yes.
Yes. Right? If I have cos square x minus sin square x, I also can make it to cos 2x. So all these are the formula that we have to remember so that we can do our integration effectively. Can or not?
Yep.
Hello? So, would that be okay? And So you better write down all this in your notes so that you can use it straight away. Like for example, now. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. For example, I ask you to integrate. I ask you to integrate. Okay, now how to do this? What do you think? Okay, so we have to also from here. Look at 1. If I divide everything by cos square, okay, for here, I will have tangent square x plus 1 equal to sec square x. So it's good also to write down this. So you can replace this as sec square x dx. Clear? So based on our formula here, so you integrate sec square x, you will get tangent x divided by 1 plus c. So is this formula important? It's important. Actually, you get it from here. Actually, we get it from here. So what is another one that I can get it from here? I can also make it like that. Yeah. 1 plus cotangent square x equal to cosec square x. You get me? Hello? So these two formula, they are equally important. So if you prefer to just write down this one, is your choice. So during exam, then you have to rearrange. So sometimes the way we prepare our notes is all very much depend on you want to work fast or you want to work slow. So that is your choice. Can or not? So for this chapter on trig-O integration, these are the things that you have to remember. Not to say remember, write down in your notes. Have you written down your notes for differentiation?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Yes, good. So don't wait until exam come only write. Write it down straight away so that every time when you practice, you can look at it. So during exam, you also know how to refer. You get me? Okay, now we shall solve some of the problem in chapter 4, okay? Can? Okay, can you please turn to page 119? Page 119, exercise 4E.2. Okay, question 2 are the one that deal with trig-O, correct? Okay, can we do B? Now, can you try to do B? So if you want to have fx, what you need to do, you need to integrate f prime x with respect to x. So this is the rule. Okay, now you may start now. Try to do it. And there is a point given for you to get the C, the value of C. If you are done, you can let me know. Then I will. Are you done? Vincent, you got the answer? Not yet.
Wait.
Wait. Which part you are stuck? Which part are you stuck? Yes.
Is C -2 root 2?
C is what?
-2 root 2.
Negative 2 over 2.
2 root 2.
2 root 2. That means you got your C as negative 2 over root 2. Is it?
Just -2 root 2.
Or negative 2 root 2, like that.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone got your C like that? Or you have different value? So that means your equation of fx is 2 sin x plus 3 cos x minus 2 root 2. Is it?
Yes, miss.
Everyone got that?
Yep.
Yep. Anzu, you got that?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Somewhat.
Sure.
Sure.
How come in the question is 2 cos x? How come it become 2 sin x?
Because you integrate it, so it's like because 2 sin x becomes then 2 cos x.
Yeah, because you integrate cos, you get sin. So
That's right. I got that.
yeah, that's right. Okay, so your fx is the integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, correct? Dx. So when you integrate cos, you get sin. Then you divide by 1. When you integrate sin, you get negative cos, correct?
Yes.
Then you plus the c. So that's why your fx is 2 sin x minus minus become plus 3 cos x plus c. So then the question say f pi by 4 is equal to 1 over root 2. So I put here 1 over root 2 equal to 2 sin pi by 4 plus 3 cos pi by 4 plus c. Okay, so did you look at the table that I have sent it to you? Do you?
Table.
Yeah, I see
Yeah,
it
there's
now.
a table. Can you tell me what is the value of sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4?
Sin pi by 4 is square root 2 over 2. And cos pi by 4 is the same as sin
It's
pi
the
by 4.
same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So instead of writing square root 2 over 2, I will write it as 1 over root 2 because here is given as 1 over root 2. So when you remember your sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4, you put it into two forms or 1 over root 2. So in this case, I will put it as 1 over root 2. Can or not? Because my left hand side is 1 over root 2 also. Okay. So now, here I got 2, so here I got 1. So at the end, you have negative 1 over root 2, take away 2 of 1 over root 2, take away 3 of 1 over root 2. That is your C, correct? So you left with how many 1 over root 2? Can someone tell me? You got negative. You got negative what? 4 of 1 over root 2, correct? That is your C. So what you can do is, then only we change this to become root 2 over 2. Then you will make your life easier. So up to you. You can change this first from the beginning or you stay to it. So the way to work out this one, so the answer is this one. Yeah? Are you okay?
Yes, miss.
So as long as you jot down the necessary information that you need, you should be able to do it well. Okay, now, can you please go to exercise 4F? Do you know it's in which page? Can someone tell me exercise 4F is in which page?
121.
Yeah,
120.
page 121. Yeah, you can try to do question 2. Question 2 are the integral of trigo, correct? Okay. Before you try to do any question on trigo or in question 2, I will ask you, if I ask you to integrate, what do you think the answer is? What do you think the answer is? Is the cos involved, the angle involved x? Is there x inside the angle? Hello, class?
No.
No. So how do you view this? What do you have in mind? Do you know the value of cos pi by 4?
Yes.
Yes. So if I know the value, I just replace the value. So what should this answer be?
1.
Hey, How can it be 1?
Root 2 over 2
Hey.
x plus
Root 2 over
Yeah.
4x.
Wow.
Root 2 over 2x. Yeah, root 2 over 2x. Root 2 over 2x.
You forgotten. You're forgotten. If I integrate a constant, I get a constant times x plus c. Am I right? Hello? So this one you get root 2 over 2x plus c. Hey, this one cannot, you cannot forget this, okay? Please write it down. Okay, shall we try question 2f? Shall we try question 2f? The rest, I leave it to you. Negative 3 cos pi by 4 minus x dx. Okay. So copy down. You integrate cos, what do you get?
Sine.
Sine. So you copy down the angle. Then you divide by
Negative 1.
-1. Is it correct, Emily?
Yes, Miss.
Is it correct? Divide by -1. Is it correct if I divide by -1?
Yes.
Yes. A
Yes.
few. I'm asking Emily. Emily, is it correct?
Miss, I said yes just now.
Yes. Why -1? Where did I get the -1? Emily, can you try to explain?
Because after you integrate,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. After integrate, should I go to the formula for you? After integrate?
so it's basically from the negative x, the value in front of x.
Yeah, you are right. So now you know why it's -1. I just want to make sure everyone know, okay? Okay, so we get that. The coefficient of x. Yeah. Here in front can be anything, but it must be linear. Yeah. Okay. Got it? So the rest you can try it by yourself. Can or not? Okay, good. So try to do 2f, 4f. Okay, we go to another exercise, 4G. Okay, in page 123. Okay, which question? You can go to question 5. So if the question says evaluate, you can use your graphic calculator to get the answer. But if the question say find, okay, I'm just telling you, this question is saying evaluate, but in the exam, if they say find the exact value of this. Okay. So, do you know this is from question L, 5L. So what should I do? I definitely have to do the integration, then substitute in. So can you try to do the integration and substitute in? So be very careful, exact value. Have you got the answer?
Is it?
Can you get the answer?
Is it 1/3?
Yeah, 1/6. Ethan got
Six.
the answer as 1/6. Do you get that?
Hold on, let me check before.
You need to check. Adrian, do you got 1/6?
I got 1/3.
1/√3.
Yeah, but no,
1/3.
1/3.
Oh,
1/3.
okay. So we got two options now. So please check your work.
In this time, take calculator and see what pops up.
Renat, do you get the answer? Renat?
1/3, 1/3.
You get 1/3.
Yes.
Ramisa? Ramisa, do you get 1/3 or 1/6?
Miss, I still did not get it. I'm like,
You are stuck in which part? Is it the integration part or the substitution part?
miss the substitution part.
Oh, substitution part. So you have to go back to the table to get the value.
Yes, miss. I'm referring to that.
Yeah. Stephanie, are you okay?
Yes, miss.
Do you get the answer?
I was stuck on the substitution part as well.
Okay. A lot of people start with the substitution part. So that means I'm very glad that everyone know how to integrate already. Okay, good. That is a good sign. Okay, sin, if I integrate sin, what do I get? Negative cos, correct? So I have to divide by 3. 0, pi by 6. Okay, so now we substitute in with pi by 6 first. So 3 times pi by 6. Okay, we do step by step. And we see who got the right answer. Take away negative cos 3 times 0 over 3. Okay, so this one end up with negative. This one simplified. You get cos pi by 2 over 3. Take away negative cos 0 over 3. Okay, go to the table and tell me what is the value of cos pi by 2. Or you can even use a calculator. The calculator will give you 0. Am I right? Am I right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes,
cos the
miss.
sign
So
is
we put
1,
in 0.
negative 1/3.
Take away negative.
If
Cos
1/3.
0 is 1. Am I right?
Yes.
So now you should know which is the right answer already. So which is the right answer?
1/3.
Yeah. So this is 0. Minus become plus 1/3. So the answer is 1/3. So when you want to talk about finding the definite value, the exact value, what you need to do is the table that I've just sent to you yesterday is very important. Huh? Okay. Okay, someone read the question wrongly. So try to be very careful, okay? Can or not? Okay. So these are the few questions you can try in your from your textbook. Okay, let's go to review 4A. Okay, review 4A. There is question 6 you can try. 6B, I will leave it to you to try that. Can or not? Okay, so now can we try question 11 now? They ask you to find the value of B. Given and the B is between 0 and pi. Do you know how to do? You just integrate, substitute, then solve.
Yep, all good. I'll start doing it now.
Yeah, please start doing it now. Have you got the answer?
Yes, miss.
Okay, what is your B?
1/4 pi.
Okay, that means pi by 4.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Everyone got the answer? Or anyone got another value for B?
No, I got the same as well.
You got the same as well. Okay. Sure? None of you in the class got another value for B? Okay. Sure? Okay, that means you all have forgotten something that you have learned in your year 11. Okay, never mind. I will solve it step by step for you to see.
I got 45. Am I wrong?
45. Okay. Who is that? Hakim, is it? Or who?
Nafis.
No, who? Okay. You get 45 degree. When you talk about calculus, we try not to say 45. You always use radian. Remember that, huh? Can or not?
Sure, I got 3 pi over 4 also.
Okay, you got 3 pi over 4 also. Why you have 2? Can you roughly explain to the class why you have 2?
Because the sign is positive, so it's AS. So there's 1 in the first quadrant, in the second quadrant also.
Ah, so you still remember. Good.
Actually, not that
You all
again.
still remember or not? All sin, tangent, cos. Here is 0. Here, angle come to here is pi by 2. Angle come to here is pi. Here is 3 pi by 2. And go back another 2 pi. So all means sin, cos, and tangent of the angle are positive. If sin of an angle is positive, it can be in the first quadrant or the second quadrant. Hello? Do you still remember that?
Yes. Now I do. Earlier I did not.
Yeah. So if the angle is in second quadrant, then we want to find the angle. We take pi minus the acute angle. If the angle is in the third quadrant, then you take pi plus the acute angle. If the angle is in fourth quadrant, then you take 2 pi minus the acute angle. Still remember that? Okay. So if you don't, now I remind you. Okay. So I have cos. Integrate cos, what do I get? I get sin.
Sine.
Right?
Yeah.
0 to be 1 over root 2. So I substitute sin B minus sin 0 is equal to 1 over root 2. So my sin B is 1 over root 2. So I straight away make this statement. Sin B is positive. Therefore, angle B is in first and second quadrant, right? So the acute angle is sin inverse 1 over root 2. And you know, sin of what angle will give you 1 over root 2? You check the table. You have pi by 4, right? So therefore, angle B can be pi by 4 or angle B in second quadrant. You have to do it like that. Pi minus pi by 4. So you get 3 pi by 4. So this is the 2 answer. Got it? Hello? Can or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we try one more question from the review. For B, in page 126, you go to question 8. Okay, can you please try question 8 now? There is an antiderivative question, okay? Okay, huh? Can you? You have to use product through, okay? You have to use product through. You have to use product through, to get the dx of this. Anyone with the problem with product through? Shouldn't, correct? Yeah, so this is your U and this is your V, okay? Anyone got the answer already? Or Mr. is too ambitious? Pi by 2.
So is it
The answer is e to the power of negative pi. Sin pi by 2 is 1. This is the answer. Am I right? Is this the answer? I hope so. Is my answer correct? I do it mentally. Maybe I'm wrong.
for the first part?
Is this the final answer?
Yes, sure, it is.
It is. So my answer is correct.
Holy
I do it mentally. Let me check the. Yeah, I'm right. Okay. Okay. Do you know how to get that answer? Okay. When you differentiate this, V, what is your U prime? Copy down the whole thing, then time by negative 2, correct? Plus U V prime. You differentiate sin, you get cos. Yep. So now you look at here, you have this common factor. So you factorize it. Okay, so here you got negative 2 sin x plus cos x. So this is exactly what they want you to integrate, correct? So if I integrate this, what is the result? Hello, what is the result? Clarissa, can you tell me the result of this integral? Clarissa, are you there?
Yes, miss.
What is the integral of this one? That means this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. You forgotten. If I integrate dy over dx with respect to, what do I get?
The original function.
Yeah, original function. So what is my original function in this case?
E to the power of negative 2x times sine x.
Yeah, you are right. So 0 to pi by 2. So now you substitute with pi by 2. You substitute with 0. Okay, so here you got e to the power negative pi. Okay, sin pi by 2, what is the value? Junje?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the value of sin pi by 2?
Sin pi by 2.
Junje, if you take so long, exam how?
1.
1. Thank you. Take away e to the power 0. What is sin 0? What is sin 0?
0.
0. Okay, so that's why we get e to the power negative pi. Right? Can or not?
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. So you try to do the, so we will have a last question from me. You try to integrate this and see. Have you got the answer? Have you got the answer? Let me show you the answer. You see whether do you know what am I doing?
Yes.
Do you know what am I doing? Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Cos square is half 1 plus cos 2x, correct? Okay. So if I simplify this, 3 over 2 plus half cos 2x. Do you want this question in the exam?
No.
So, no one. You don't want. I show you how to do it. Hello, young people. So far, so good?
Yes,
Why Miss Lo can do it so fast? Who can give me the answer? Why teacher can do this so fast? Because I'm very familiar with the formula. I know how to change. I know what must I do. Okay, so this is 3 over 2x plus half. Okay, when you integrate cos, what do you get?
Sine.
Sine. Yeah. So you just need to remember all that. Then I have to divide by 2, then plus c. Are you okay? Okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So write down the formula, apply the formula, change it, then get the answer. Can or not? Okay, don't worry. I won't give you such a difficult question, okay? I don't want to stress you up. But in final, I cannot guarantee you, okay? Can? Okay, thank you, class.
Thank
Have
you,
a nice
Miss.
lunch.
You too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.